Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question, quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice movement. When you consider that at one point in the day the price was all the way down here, then all of a sudden the price managed to close up there. Granted, sure, it did pull back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was to where it ultimately closed, definitely a very nice move, which brings about the logical question going forward of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, like I said, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this level down here at $1.87. Why is $1.87 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.87. If the price were to come down to $1.87 and then just continue on down through it, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And again, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not a sign of true power, true strength, or anything of, that nature. Whereas let's say the price came down here, however, in this situation behaved like that and then worked its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as $1.87. What about levels of resistance going forward? Nothing fancy or complicated behind this other than the fact that the party finally stopped today up there at $1.94. So that'll be the initial area to fight through. If the price can break through that $1.94 level, then the next key level of resistance after that, up there at $1.98. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great movement today, great volume, and no doubt about it, the price made a great move. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.